Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Yes, I look like a mess. Everything right now is a mess. I'm really going through a lot of technical difficulties at the moment. Usually I would have what I can see from the viewfinder on my TV here to the right of me, but my adapter's broken, so now I've got to look at the actual tiny little LCD screen. But that's okay. My light is almost falling on me. I'm just going through a lot right now. My head is hurting from these hot rollers. I'm really going through it, you know. But I thought, let me do a look today. I'm feeling bronzed. I'm feeling like I can do like a nice look today. Again, bronze is my favorite theme. What else? Like, what am I not doing? When am I not doing a bronze look? It's like, it's automatic for me. It's a go-to. It's everything that I do. So I'm going to use this palette that I have here today, which is the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette. I haven't even touched it yet. My girl Bruna bought this for me because we did Secret Santa. I guessed it was her already. I done knew it was her. So I'm gonna go with more like a bronze look today. So looking at the colors, you got a whole variety right here. This is amazing. I'm living for it at this moment. So I'm gonna go for more of the colors on this corner right here because these are more bronzes, and that's what I'm living for today. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna start with the shade over here called Basic, which is more of like a burnt peach color. I'm gonna start with that. I've already primed my eyelids with the Morphe eyelid primer. I'm just gonna go in with that. Mind you, these eyeshadows are incredibly pigmented, so I think I just need to take it easy first. Just gonna buff this in. I basically start where my socket is and then buff it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade here called, this one down here called Intuition. It is a mud brown, I would say. It's a nice brown, an earthy brown. Just picking that up on a flat brush, I'm just gonna pack this onto the eyelid, starting off at the center, and then just patting it on and moving it around. This prevents me from basically making really nasty harsh lines. And then with the rest of the product, I just buff it out. Going back in with Basic, I'm just going to buff those edges out. Like that. Alright, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to spray some setting spray. This is the NYX Dewy Finish spray. Just wet the brush a little bit. And I'm going to take this shade here called Inspire, which is a nice bronze shimmer shade. I'm just going to pick some of that up. Oh, Lord Jesus. Yeah, I picked quite a bit of that up. I'm just going to pack this first on the center. And now I'm just going to use the remaining product and brush it towards the inner corner and the outer corner of the lid. Not going too far up. Not too far up. Just about so when I open my eyes you can see a little bit of the shimmer. We don't want it to overtake the shadows that we've been putting on anyways. Okay, so now I'm going to take this shade here. It's called Lights Out, which is a black shade. So I'm just going to take some of this. I'm going to start off on the outer corner here. I'm going to build it up slowly because if you make mistakes with black, it's hard to remove it, you know. So just going on the outer corner, brushing back and forth. till I get like a nice blend. I'm aiming for it to go like a wing this way. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this woody eyeliner. This is new. This is by Gosh. It is in 003 Teak. It is waterproof. I'm kind of living for this shade. It's not too brown. It's a little bit earthy, not too dark. So I'm just gonna take some of this. I'm gonna start on my waterline. And then I'm just going to start basically shading my actual lower lash line. Taking a cotton bud, I'm just going to blend that in. Just blend, blend, blend. Nothing too heavy, nothing too crazy. I'm not trying to go too bottom heavy on this. Just to give it a little bit of depth and shadow. My smudger brush is a little bit dirty at the moment, so I'm going to take this angled brush and I'm going to pick up Basic, which was the first shade that we used. I'm just going to pat that off. I'm going to take a little bit of the excess off on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to brush that underneath my eyes, basically blend it in with the pencil shade. Okay, taking the same exact brush, I'm just going to take a bit of the darker brown that we put on, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner only. Just buff, buff. And here. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Goddess of Faith highlighter. It still says I Heart Makeup, but they changed their name since then. I've had this for a long time. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eyes. This just adds a little bit of a pop. Your girl's nails are a bit too long to even blend this out properly, but I can try. And then I'm going to put some under the arch of my eyebrow as well. I love a strong highlighter under the eyebrow. So for highlighter, that is done. Brand new, straight out the box. This is the Lash Queen London Majestic eyelashes. They are stunning and spiky, and I live for them. Majestics, wonderful stuff. So I'm going to quickly apply this to my eyes, and then I'll be back. Just gonna apply some mascara. This is the Gosh Rebel Eye Skinny Bee. It's got a really skinny mascara head. I forgot what you call it. Spoolie? Mascara spoolie. So it's easier to get on the lower lashes. Okay, so for the highlight, I'm going to be using the same highlighter, which is the Goddess of Faith highlighter. Pick some of that up. Just going really lightly. And then down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little on the chin. Okay, now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter in Snowflake. I'm going to use a little bit of It Girl and Hot. I'm going to use them two together. This is the Morphe 8C Cool Pro palette. For the blush, I'm just going to mix them two together. Okay, so before I get going with the lips, I'm just going to remove this from my head because it's really irritating me right now. So I'm just going to remove them real quick. Even though I'm looking like Mary Bo Peep, I'm going to go with the lips. Okay, so I'm going to use my favourite combo. This is my ultimate. It's not even that extravagant or anything. I'm going to use the NYX. Here we go. NYX. What is this? Lip liner in mauve. Oh yeah, mauve. There we go. And then I'm going to take the Kiko Hydra liner. This is not Hydra liner, Hydra lip gloss in 06. This is 05, sorry. This is my ultimate. I'm going through lots of technical stuff today. So, I'm just going to do my lips pretty much. Then the lip gloss. Okay, so now give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to zhuzh this up and look a little bit, you know. Okay, so this is the final look. I zhuzhed up my hair a little bit, so now it's a little bit more curly and less Mary Bo Peep. So yeah, this is the look. It's pretty basic. This is my usual, especially for the skin, it's my usual skin foundation routine, so nothing changes there. I don't tend to go out of my way and use like these new foundations that I know aren't good, unless I've reviewed it myself and I know they are. But at the moment I haven't really spent much time looking into like the whole makeup world and really look into it. Like, I'm up to date, but there's nothing that makes me want to go out and buy something new at the moment. Like, if there's something that I want, I will definitely 100% get it, but it's just there's nothing that's really tickling my fancy at the moment, so I'm sticking to my usual. But other than that, the only new thing that I have used would be the eyeshadow palette, which is the Carnival Pro. So I created this bronzed look, and I've used my favorite lashes, which are the Lash Queen London lashes, and this is my signature lip look. This is my own. So if I know I'm gonna go out and I'm not gonna go too fancy schmancy, I'm gonna wear this lip look, and this is what I'm gonna look like. So I even added a little bit of sheen on my shoulders. You know, I used that Huda Beauty when she had that Black Friday sale. Ooh, it was good. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm trying not to look too hard into the little LCD screen, but I'm not used to doing it like this. I'm used to looking over there. But this is the look, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. If there is anything you want to see, any type of look, anything trending, anything at all, please let me know, because I'm willing to do it. Trust me, I'm a little bit bored of doing my regular schmegular. So if there's something you want to see, please let me know. Let your girl know down below. DM me, Instagram, anywhere. I will answer it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.